Okay, so we're gonna do the upper limb osteology. So we're gonna start with the humerus. So first you have the head, which is right up here, and it's where the head of the humerus articulates with the glenoid cavity. And so next we have the greater tubercle. It's kind of lateral over here. And then the lesser tubercle, more on the anterior side, this bump right here. Then we have the intertubercular sulcus right in between, and that's a place where tendons can go through and muscle attachment a lot happens up here. Next, down to kind of the elbow joint. So first we have the trochlea, this little notch right here. We have the epicondyles. There's the medial epicondyle and the lateral epicondyle. And then right here is the capitulum, which is what articulates with the radius. So next in the forearm, there's two bones. There's the radius right here, and this one is the ulna. We'll start with the radius. So this is the head of the radius, making it part of the elbow joint. This right here is the radial tuberosity. This right here is the neck of the radius, right under the head. And then down at the end by the wrist joint, we have the styloid process right here on the thumb side. Going up to the ulna, here in the elbow joint, the notch right here, what's articulating with the trochlea is the trochlear notch. It kind of looks like a scoop, like an ice cream scoop. And then, so this back half is called the olecranon process, and that articulates back into the posterior side of the humerus, this little divot called the olecranon fossa. And then on the anterior side, we have the condylar process of the ulna, articulating into the condylar fossa of the humerus, right here, this little notch. Then the end of the radius here articulates with the carpal bones in the wrist. So there's 8 of these. So the best way to learn those is like this. You go from thumb side to pinky side, and there's a mnemonic that says some lovers try positions that they can't handle. So that's a great way to remember them all. So it goes like this, starting from the thumb side, it goes scaphoid is some, lovers, lunate, triquetrum is try, positions is pisiform, this little one right here. And then some lovers try positions that they can't handle is the top line. So you go back up to the thumb, and it's trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. So it's some lovers try positions that they can't handle. That's the bones of the wrist, the carpals. Going up here, you have the metacarpals. There's 5. It makes up the bones kind of your palm. So your thumb is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metacarpals. And then last you have your phalanges, which are your finger bones. There are 14 phalanges total, with the digits 2 through 5 having 3 phalanges each. Your proximal, middle, and distal phalanges. And then your thumb only has proximal and distal.